What's up guys, today I'm going to show you how to do the easy rock the baby yo-yo trick. First, throw a sleeper. For those of you who don't know what a sleeper is, you basically position your arm in a flexing position and throw the yo-yo forward. Once you throw the yo-yo forward, flip your palm. So quick recap, throw the yo-yo, flip your palm, and to get it back to your hand, you simply just tug up the yo-yo. Okay, so the second step, use your non-throw hand to pinch the string, and then after that bring down your throw hand and pinch the string, the bottom part of the string with your throw hand, and then bring your non-throw hand down and towards you and spread the yo-yo string with your thumb and pointer finger. Now you should be able to do the rock the baby yo-yo trick. After you finish doing the rock the baby yo-yo trick, unravel your hands and just pull to get it back to your hand. Okay, quick recap. Throw a sleeper, turn your palm, pinch string with your non-throw hand, pinch bottom part of the string with your throw hand, bring your non-throw hand towards you and down, spread it with your thumb and pointer finger and rock the baby. Unravel and tug it up to get it back to your hand. Congratulations, you now learned the rock the baby yo-yo trick. For more tutorials, comment down below. See you in the next video.